guys, today we're opening this wire roll. And look at what you have here. You have your sword. And when you put water in this and put it in this tiny hole, it breathes fire. And this is the explosion.
Wow.
You have red eyes, and you can put the tail, but the tail is not here. But the tail right here next, right here, and there's his sword, and we don't know what it is for. So we're gonna open this out.
Let's open it.
See.
Wow. Okay.
So Dad is gonna help open the Wild World Roaring Dragon.
This is a big dragon, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I see
Okay.
it.
Right now we're opening.
Boom.
Right now we're opening the wire roar. But we're flying to open the wire roar. Here's the wire roar. Here it is. And now we're gonna cut these.
Mm-hmm. Let me take care of that. Little kids should not be using scissors. Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna open the wire roar.
It's a dragon. Okay. I see it. Here it is.
Here's the wire roar.
It's missing something.
It's missing the tail. Okay, here's the wire roar. Now we're just gonna put the tail.
There you go.
I'm gonna put this.
Let's see. Seems good. There it is.
Here we have the wire roar. Now we have the sword.
What is that? Is this a dragon?
Yeah, this is dragon. And now we have the sword, but we just need this little thing to put water in.
Yes.
We're gonna put.
Okay.
We're gonna open it.
You open that, put a little bit of water, and I'm gonna go find batteries.
This is the wildest world. Okay, guys. Now we're putting the batteries. Let's see how it's gonna be with water.
How many batteries does it have?
4. Okay, we're
wait.
almost done with this.
This is so exciting. Wow, that's scary. Is it hot? Burn my hand. Ah, my eye.
see you tomorrow.